September 1939. As Britain declared war on Nazi Germany, an extraordinary motley army was being assembled at Bletchley Park in the English countryside near London to fight a secret war. Their mission was to crack one of the hardest codes ever devised, created on a machine called Enigma. Enigma lay at the heart of Hitler's armed forces communications system. Two of this elite were the renowned mathematician Alana Turinga and the dean of a Cambridge college, Gordona Welchmana.
Gordona Welchmana was actually quite glamorous. He was good-looking, and he knew he was good-looking. He had a way with the ladies. He was fantastically bright, very pugnacious, obviously a very proud man.
Welchmana was one of the original elite codebreakers, given the Herculean task of decoding the Enigma machine. Enigma used a combination of rotors, plugs, and wiring to put German messages into secret code. There were 1 in 159 million possible combinations. While others sought to crack the codes, Welchmana took a different approach. Instead, he focused on what would come to be known as traffic analysis. The body of the message was unreadable, but the first few letters and numbers were not in code. This was the call sign, the address, identifying who the message was to and from. There was crucial information in the call signs, and Welchmana started to track it, linking up who was sending and receiving the messages, where they were, where they went. It was a brilliantly simple observation, yet it would prove crucial.
They call it chat that comes over the air. And by this means we can build up a picture of a German unit, the headquarters, any outstations it has, and how they keep in touch with each other and send messages.
Just using traffic analysis, Welchmana started to reveal the precise enemy forces that faced the Allies. Modern code breaking was born.
And they had a big war map, and you could visually see the whole setup of the German communication system.
Traffic analysis was Bletchley's first major breakthrough.
Without an analysis of traffic, you would never have been able to use cryptography to win the war.